Ever wondered how vital the role of your kidneys is in maintaining your overall health? Or perhaps pondered upon the significance of detoxification? Well, today we delve into this fascinating realm of kidney detoxification. We walk through the door of knowledge, unlocking the secrets of 5 incredible foods that are not only delicious but also play a key role in cleaning your kidneys. First on our list is the humble beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is a powerhouse of betaine, a compound that helps repair and regenerate liver cells and increase the detoxification capacity. Beetroots are also rich in nitrate, which is converted into nitric oxide in the body. This compound helps in improving blood flow, thereby taking some pressure off the kidneys. But remember, moderation is key. Consuming 2 to 3 servings of beetroot a week is beneficial, but overconsumption may lead to kidney stones due to its high oxalate content. Next up, we have the refreshing watermelon. It's not just a summer favorite, but also a kidney cleansing hero. Watermelon is packed with water and potassium, which helps in flushing out the toxins from the kidneys. Additionally, the presence of lycopene provides an antioxidant boost. However, overindulging in watermelon can lead to an increase in potassium levels in the body, which may not be suitable for people with kidney disorders. Moving on, we have the healthful cabbage. This cruciferous vegetable is low in potassium and high in vitamin K and vitamin C, making it an excellent choice for people with kidney issues. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting, while vitamin C boosts immunity. Consuming half a cup of cooked cabbage a day can help in kidney detoxification. However, too much cabbage may lead to gas and bloating. The 4th superfood on our list is the versatile garlic. With its high antioxidant content, garlic helps in flushing out toxins from the body, supporting kidney health. It also contains allicin, which has antibacterial properties that prevent kidney infections. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic a day can work wonders, but consuming too much can cause heartburn and digestive issues. Lastly, we have the omega-3 rich flax seeds. These small seeds are packed with fiber, helping in the elimination of toxins through the digestive system, thus reducing the workload on the kidneys. A tablespoon of flax seeds a day can provide the required benefits. However, consuming them in large quantities can lead to digestive problems. In summary, beetroot, watermelon, cabbage, garlic, and flax seeds are excellent foods for kidney detoxification. They help in flushing out toxins, improving blood flow, and reducing the workload on the kidneys. However, remember that moderation is key, as overconsumption can lead to other health issues. So here's to making informed food choices and taking a step towards better kidney health.